Hey friends, hope you are doing great. I'm Mushtaba and I'm back with another tutorial video on Schedemy YouTube channel. As I promised, I'm back with the second scenario, and honestly this one is a really important case. We're gonna update the project in both MS Project and Primavera P6. And first, let's take a quick look at the Excel sheet I prepared for you. As you can see, we have a 10-day plan. This is our set state line, and the activity was supposed to start on the 15th and finish on the 24th. So the original baseline runs from November 15th to November 24th, and exactly 10 days. And this yellow line here is baseline number 1. Let's walk through the scenario. The activity actually started 2 days late, as you can see, and 1 day has already passed. But here is the key point. We want to tell the software that the remaining duration is 7 days, meaning we are trying to catch up and recover the delay. That's exactly what we call a catch-up plan. So our actual duration is 1 from the planned start until the steady state. Then we count the remaining duration and 7 days, and yes, right here, and the actual person complete is 12. It's simply 1 divided by the original duration, which has now changed from 10 days to 8 days. So the person complete becomes 12.5 persons. It means 1 divided by the 8. We expect the second baseline to start on the 17th and finish on the 24th. So the baseline duration becomes 8 days. And if I show you the second baseline, that's exactly what you'll see. Both software tools must give us the same results. I just wanted to tell you beforehand that when updating activities, you need to work with a great care and precision and make sure all the parameters are completed correctly. All right, let's start the update in Primavera P6. First, we need to change the start date to the 17th. But before that, give me a second. Let me quickly assign the baseline I took earlier. I forgot to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna assign the baseline number 1. As you can see from here, I assigned it, and then I'm gonna change the start date and check this box, and then I have to enter the remaining duration we calculated before. It was 7 days. And then we have to change the original duration. This part is very important. Now, the important part, what happens to the units? Here, we have different scenarios again. If your activity is set to fixed units, then Primavera expects you to complete the same 80 hours over the new 10-day sprint. So the actual units would be 10 hours and the remaining units would be 7 hours. But if you are like me and you use fixed unit per time, which normally use because the resource is supposed to work 8 hours a day, then the actual units become 8 hours, and for the remaining 7 days, Primavera assigns 56 hours. So the total becomes 64 hours. It reduces the total workload. As you can see here, this is my actual unit, and the next part, remaining units, it is 56 hours. Since the activity is fixed units per time, the second scenario, as you can see here, my activity type is fixed unit per time. And Primavera calculates everything automatically once we enter the original duration and remaining duration. We also enter the person complete, and now we are ready for rescheduling. The person complete was 12.5 as we calculated before. So we are ready for rescheduling. So press F9 and reschedule your plan to 18 18th November. And then, as you can see here, Primavera behaves exactly as expected and matches the Excel plan perfectly. Let's create a new baseline and see what happens. I'm gonna maintain new baseline from here, press OK and hit close, and then I'm gonna assign the created baseline from here, and in secondary baseline I assigned it to the project. And as you can see, both baselines in Excel and Primavera are completely matched. So now you know how to update an activity with delay and a recovery in Primavera P6. Let's jump into MS Project. The process is even simpler there. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm going to open the MS Project. Like always, I update from this section. We enter the actual start from this box to November 17th, 1 day of actual work in this part, and 7 days remaining. MS Project automatically calculates a percent complete, which is the same 12.5 rounded slightly upward. Let's also check the SPI to be sure about a way of calculation in both softwares. As you can see here, the MS Project shows 0.42 and Primavera should show the exact same value. As you can see, everything is matching and behaving exactly as expected. Friends, this is why you really need to understand these concepts deeply. You have to live with them, analyze them, and think about what might happen in your project. I'll try to show you even more details in the next videos, but practicing and challenging yourself is the key. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to follow the full series of in-progress activities updates. It's really gonna help you. Your support means a lot to me, and I'll keep going on this teaching journey. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.